Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing videos. In this video I have a new device from Tecno, and this is the Tecno POVA 5 Pro 5G. And guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Tecno, and this phone is costing around 59,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. In this price range we have a 256GB of internal storage with 8GB of RAM with 8GB external RAM feature. And the box of the Tecno POVA 5 Pro, it is very different as compared to any other smartphone box that I feature on the channel. So on the bottom, and the color I have is a dark illusion color, and this phone also has a high-res audio support. So on the back we have some more specification about the phone, and this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with 68 watt superfast charging, and this phone is powered by a new MediaTek Dimensity 6080 SoC, which is a 5G SoC. On the front we have 6.7-inch Full HD plus IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. We don't get any AMOLED display on this phone. We also have 50 megapixel AI cameras on this phone. So without any wasting time, now let's quickly unbox the Tecno POVA 5 Pro 5G. And this is the cheapest 5G smartphone here in the Pakistan market. So now let's quickly remove that seal, and now let's open this box. As you can see, in the box is open like this. So here is our device, Tecno POVA 5 Pro. Again, and these are the main highlighting feature of the Tecno POVA 5 Pro 5G. Again, we have 120Hz IPS LCD display with a Dimensity 6080 5G SoC. Now let's start the phone from this plastic. And guys, here is the dark illusion color looks like, as you can see, and this phone has a gaming look. We have a glossy finish, although on the back we have a transparent look, although it is a fingerprint magnet. On the back we have a dual cameras. We have 50 megapixel main. So, and the device, it feels really thick, although we have 5000 mAh battery size. And yes, in this phone it feels really heavy in the hand in my opinion. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have a screen protector on the front. And now let's see what else we get and then the phone. So here is our SIM injection tool, and when we open the box, here is our warranty card, silicone case, as you can see, and here is our charger. And guys, and this is a 68 watt super fast charger. We are getting a fast charger in the box, and here is our cable, and which is a USB type C to USB A cable. No hand-free inside the box, but nice to see we are getting a charger in the box, which is also a rare thing these days. So now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Tecno POVA 5 Pro, and now let's see the physical overview of this phone. So on the bottom we have our speaker grill, USB-C port, main microphone, headphone jack, and on this side we have our SIM tray. And now let's see the SIM slot on this phone. So inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber gasket. So guys, you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. Nice to see that. On the back we have a dual cameras with LEDs inside the back, which I will be showing you in the later part of this video. On the top we also have another speaker. So on the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have a side mounted fingerprint scanner. We have dual cameras on the back. We have 50 megapixel main camera, then we have a 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor. And now let's talk about the display. Again, this phone has a 6.7-inch Full HD plus IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. Also we have a center punch hole on the top, and the bezels, I would say it is really average on this phone, not the best in this price range obviously. And now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Tecno POVA 5 Pro 5G. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. And now let's see the brightness on this phone. So here is the maximum brightness we have, and the display looks really bright, especially in the indoors. We also have NFC, we also have LED lights on the back. Now let's go to the settings. Now let's go my phone, and this phone is running on Android 13 with iOS version 13.1. Again, we have new MediaTek Dimensity 6080 SoC with 8GB of RAM. We also have a 256GB of internal storage, and out of 21.75GB it is already used on this phone. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has a fingerprint scanner on the side, and the fingerprint scanner, it works absolutely fast. And in the special functions we also have a backlight feature. Turn on that. You can see here is the LED light looks like on the back. As you can see, if you have a incoming call, as you can see in the light, it is not really bright. We also have a different mode. Here is a soft mode, Here is the racing mode, dreamy, party, and as well as a breathe. So here is the breathe looks like, as you can see, and you cannot control the lights inside the settings, which is a disappointing because the lights it is not really bright. And I'll look at the camera on this phone, and this phone has a single camera on the back. I would say we have 50 megapixel main camera, then we have a depth sensor. So here is the video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot 1440p at 30 fps. With the back camera we also have a bokeh mode, which give you a background blur in the video. Here is the film mode, beauty mode, here is the portrait mode, super night mode also available. And when you go right there, we also have slow motion. We also have a dual view video mode, which uses a back camera as well as a front facing camera at the same time. And with the back camera we also have pro mode, and we also have AR shot. So all those things it is available. And also look at the front facing camera, and this phone has a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and the selfie camera it is also really decent on this phone. And the front facing camera also shoot 1440p at 30 fps. And with the front facing camera we also have ultra steady mode, which is also available with the back camera. Here is the beauty mode, and here is the portrait mode, and here is the super night mode, which is also available with the front facing camera. And the slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera. And the 120 Hz refresh rate it is active, and it feels absolutely smooth, no issue whatsoever. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with 68 watt super fast charging, and this phone should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life without any problem. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Tecno POVA 5 Pro 5G. Again, and this is the cheapest smartphone here in the Pakistan market, Dimensity 6080 SoC, and I will be checking that in my upcoming speed test. And follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.